Not every good deed is done for Allah. Sometimes it's done for the camera. Allah says in Quran,
Forward.
so woe to those who pray, yet are heedless of their prayer. Those who show off. Today, good deeds are posted instantly. Charity, posted. Helping someone, recorded. Dua, captioned. But this verse gives a warning. A deed can look righteous, yet lose its reward. Riya doesn't always mean you're fake. Sometimes it means you wanted people to notice. Sincerity is when you would still do the same good deed, even if nobody ever knew. The danger isn't social media. The danger is needing validation. A deed for people earns likes. A deed for Allah earns acceptance. And acceptance is what follows you to the Akhirah. Comment, Ya Allah, purify my intentions. Save this before posting any good deed. Follow for Quran reminders for real life.